Tesla's down in the pre-market. The electric car maker announced it delivered just over 76,000 vehicles in 16. That narrowly misses the goal of 80,000. Deliveries down 9.4 in Q4 from the previous quarter. Tesla citing what it calls production challenges from the transition to new autopilot hardware. They were looking for 80 to 90 for the full year, Jim.
Yeah, this is Teflon. They should call it Teflon. It shouldn't be called Tesla Motors. It could be called Teflon Motors, but I know that's already patented because I don't think this will matter. I think that candidly, my 80,000 goal, I mean, there were a lot of people who felt it could be 100,000 not that long ago, but this company has its adherents, and I don't think they're going to sell on this. I mean, well, I don't regard a $2 down after they did a big equity offering here. I just find that the company's charmed, and some of it is what our partner Jay Leno says, which is that, look, they're making a lot of cars. Come on, get with the program.
Apparently, they're doing better in China. My friend June Lee, Warren Capital, who follows these things closely, reports yesterday that 2,322 units of Tesla cars were imported in November 2016 compared to only 226 a year earlier. Both the Model X, which debuted in June, of course, and has now become the most sought-after SUV in that market, and the Model S, of course. So they're seeing significant sales jumps in China. That could be a benefit.
Wow, that's important. Remember they had a personnel problem in China? They didn't have the right person running it.
Yes.
So they put the right person in, and the sales spike. So again, I think that Musk, look, I felt that the Solar City deal was a really, I thought the Solar City deal was a really bad deal for shareholders, but I don't think that, and to me that's far more important than how many cars they sold. Because I think Solar City, I think this first solar has been so bad. I don't like that segment under President Trump, but I do think that this is not what, they're not going to react to it. They're not going to dump the stock wholesale. You have analysts who aren't going to change their view, and I think that that's the important way to look at it. They're just not going to change. No buy to hold.
And do they have any capital needs near term, or are they covered all that?
They did that. They did that secondary that did help. Now, look, there'll be people out there who say they have constant capital needs, given what their ambitions, but they did kind of cover it. And there's, by the way, a lot of bankers that love doing business with these guys. You know that?
I didn't. No.
Yeah, bankers love it.
Why?
You got this thing, Dave. I got to let David
there's always more coming.
I don't want to air, right? Because it's about fees.
There's always more behind it.
When we get back from the commercial, I'll come up with a smoother way to talk about fees.
I'll tell you what, for 16, going long Exxon, short Tesla would have been a nice pair trade.
Isn't that interesting? You know, and there's, I think Musk represents the old and Tillerson represents the new.
That's odd.
It is. It's you know, again, it's a big change.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.